So as here you can see, here is given A3 that is equals to 15, and here is given as S10 that is equals to 125. We have to find D and A. So let us do the process. So here we have to write A3 is equals to 15, which is in actually it is A plus 2D, and that is equals to 15. We got some equation, we will keep it as it is. Here we having S10 is equals to 125. So here we will apply the formula of Sn, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So there if we are writing S10, so it will become 10 by 2 into 2a, because a we not having, plus n minus 1 means 9d. So here if we are reducing, here we are getting 5 2s are 10, 5 into 2a plus 9d. Here we will substitute the value. S10 की वैल्यू 125 दे दी गई है. So we will take this multiplication in down. So here we will solve it. 125 divided by 5, and that is equals to 2a plus 9d. So let us solve it. 5 2s are 10, and it will make 25. So 5 5s are mean 25 5s are. So here we are getting 25 is equals to 2a plus 9d. So here we will give it as equation number 1, and this one we will give it as equation number 2. So here I am highlighting it. Let me do highlight. Then we are doing elimination method in it. So here let me write a plus 2d is equals to 15, and the resting that we will write, that is 2a plus 9d is equals to 25. Here the coefficient of a is different, so we will multiply 2, so it will become 2a plus 2 2s are 4d, and that will be equals to 30. And here equation number 2 we will keep as it is. So here we will change the sign, so it will become minus minus minus. 9 minus 4 will become 5d. Symbol of the greater number will be minus. 30 minus 25 will make 5 only, but d we are getting 5 by minus 5, क्योंकि ये multiply में यहाँ denominator में जाएगा. So 5 1s are 5. So here d we are getting as minus 1. So here as you can see, d हमें मिल गया है. Now we can substitute in any equation. Let us substitute in equation 1. So value of d if I am keeping in equation 1, so 2d is equals to 15 है. अगर वहाँ पे हम d is equals to minus 1 substitute कर रहे हैं, so a is equals to minus 2, and that is equals to 15. So a is equals to हमें मिलेगा 15 plus 2, that is 17. So here we got a and d. So let us go and read our question. So in question we have to find d. d हमें minus 1 मिल गया है. Now we have to find a10. So we will make one another star. We will write a10 is equals to a plus 9d. There we will substitute the value. This is 17, that is 9, and we got minus 1. So now plus minus will make minus. 9 1s are 9, 17 minus 9. So here we are getting 8 as the answer. So this is the concept of this question. I hope you understood. So as here you can see, here is given d is equals to 5 and s9 is equals to 75. We have to find a and a9. If we are getting a, so d we having, so we can find a9. So let us do the process. Here we having s9. So first we will write the formula of Sn, that is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute the value, means s9 is equals to n by 2, means 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8d. Okay, after doing that, let us substitute all the value. Here we have to write 75. There is 9 by 2. Here 2a and difference they have given as 8 into 5. ठीक है. Now here what we will do, let us solve it. So here we will write 75. If he wants to take it in divide, we can take it. If we don't want to do that, what we will do, watch it over here. We will multiply by 2, divide by 9, and that is equals to 2a plus 8 5s are 40. Now if we are reducing with 3, because it is 3 3s are 9, and it is 3 2s are 6, and 7 3 5s are 25 3s are. So 5 5 we will 3 3 we will cut. So here is remain 25 into 2 by 3, and that is equals to 2a plus 40. So let us solve it more. So it will become 50 by 3 minus that 40. We are taking this 40 over here, and that is equals to 2a. Let us take LCM over here. So it will become 50 minus 4 3s are 12. 120 divided by 3 and that is equals to 2a. 120 minus 50, 70 by 3 and that minus. And this 2 we will take down, so this will become a. Now here we get 35 2s are. So here we got a is equals to minus 35 by 3. So this is the concept. We got a over here. Now here what we have to do? So here we have to find a9 again. So let us write a9. Let us make star. a9 is equals to a plus 8d. So a we got as minus 35 by 3 plus 8. Difference we got we having already 5. So minus 35 by 3. 8 5s are 40. Let us take LCM over there. 120 में से 35 माइनस करेंगे. 120 minus 35 we have to do in rough. So what we are getting? Minus 85 by 3 we are getting. So this is the answer of A9. I hope you see the question. A is given, D is given, Sn is given. Sn is given as 90 means n हमें पता नहीं है and an नहीं पता, तो let us find first. We will write that an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So there an we don't know, so let us keep it as it is. A is 2, n minus 1 as it is, and difference of 8. So here we got 8n minus 8. 8 n 8n, 8 1 8. तो यहाँ पे हमें मिल रहा है 8n माइनस, अभी हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 8 minus 2 will become 6 and symbol of the greater number. So यहाँ पे हमें मिला है an. ठीक है. Now what we have to find that n. So what we can do, we can write Sn is equals to 90. So उसका इक्वेशन लिखेंगे. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In that n we not having. So here we will write 90. Here n by 2. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 and difference of 8. So let us try to solve it. So it is 90 only. It is 9n by 2 only. That is 4. 8n minus 8. So let us write n by 2 into 8 minus 4 means we are getting 8 में से 4 जाएगा, 4 बचेगा and symbol will be. Let us take 2 common. So we can reduce it. So it will become 4 and it will become 2. So 2 we will cut. So here remain 90 is equals to n into 4n minus 2. Now here what we will do? We will multiply this. So here it will become 4n square minus 2n. And this 90 I will take this side. So it will become minus 90. Means यहाँ पे हमें एक इक्वेशन मिला है जिसे हम स्प्लिटिंग दी मिडल टर्म से सॉल्व करेंगे. 9 4 जा 360. 360 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे कि माइनस करके 2 आए. So let us do the process. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are and 0s are. 2 9s are and 0s are. 3 3s are 9 and 0. 3 1s are 3 and that 5 2s are 10 and 2 1s are. So here we got some factors, so we have to make combination of it ताकि subtraction करें तो हमें 2 मिल जाए. ठीक है. So हम देख रहे हैं that what is it. So here we having one combination. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 and 2s are 20. And another is 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. So if we are subtracting, we are getting 2 over there. But sign we have to take care. We will take 20 minus 18 as plus and this will become minus. So n. It means now on the place of these 2n we can write that is minus 20n plus 18n minus 19 and that is equals to minus 90. And that is equals to 0. Here let us take 4n common, so here will remain n minus 5. Here we will take plus 18 common, so here will remain n minus 5 and that is equals to 0. So we got two bracket, one is n minus 5 and in another bracket 4n plus 18 is equals to 0. Let us compare it with 0 means n minus 5 is equals to 0, so n is equals to 5 we are getting. And here if we are comparing 14 plus 18 is equals to 0, so 4n is equals to minus 18, so n is equals to minus 18 by 4. ठीक है. सो माइनस वैल्यू n की नहीं होगी, मीन्स वी विल कंसिडर दिस. सो टेक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. सो हमें n अगर 5 मिल गया तो हमारा सेकेंड क्वेश्चन था वी हैव टू फाइंड an. सो an के लिए मैंने एक रेडीमेड इक्वेशन बना के रखा था. सो आई मेड इट an इज इक्वल्स टू 8n - 6. सो यहाँ पे वही लिखेंगे 8n - 6. सो नाउ ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ n आई विल जस्ट कीप दिस 5 and that -6. So it is in multiply. 8 5s are 40 - 6. So I will get as 34. So that is the answer of an. I hope this concept is understood by you.